Continuing the questions on the same topic, I have taken here a question in which there are three parts almost similar. So let me take one by one. The first part you can see it's very simple. The first term here is not 1 square or 1. This is sum of 1 square plus 1. This 2 square plus 2 is second term and 3 square plus 3 is third term and so on. These up to n terms. So for the first part, we'll be having Tn as n square plus n. I think it is understood. Now Sn will become your sigma Tn and that is sigma n square plus n. So this is your sigma n square plus sigma n. We know the formula, direct formulas, and so this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And now sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we are having again common some terms by 2. This is 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So we are left with n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 3 plus 1, 4 by 6. This cancelled out and we are left with by 3. This is your answer for first part. Now let me take the second part. You are having here 1 as T1 as 1, T2 as 1 plus 2 and T3 as 1 plus 2 plus 3. If you want to add, this is 3, this is 6, then next one is your 10, etc. But they are not making the sum pattern. So I can take Tn as sum of this second term is sum of 2 terms, third is sum of 3 terms and so on. So Tn will become 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash up till n. In nth term, there will be n terms which are added, first n natural numbers. So I know the formula for sigma n, it is n into n plus 1 by 2. Now this is not the sum, this is your Tn, nth term. So I have to simplify to operate sigma operator on Tn. So this is your half n square plus n by 2. So what we have, Sn is your sigma Tn and that is sigma over half n square plus half n. Now I have Sn as half, you can take out of the sigma sign, half sigma n square plus half sigma n. Right? And after that you can also check your Tn first of all. Now after that I will apply the formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus half into n into n plus 1 by 2. So if anything common, I will take that. By 4 I will take common. This is 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So again it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 4 by 12. So this is your n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. After simplification, this is your answer for second part. Now let me take the third part. This is yours. Very important NCERT question. This is your 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on. Now again you can see that their terms are, first term is 1 square and second term is 1 square plus 2 square and the third is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, as we have done in the previous question. Here also Tn will become 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up till n square. So this is now sigma n square. This is actually here sigma n. Now it is sigma n square. Now this is your n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is your Tn. You can also check your Tn by substituting some of the values. If I take n as 1, say, this is your 1 into 2 and into 3 by 6, that comes out to be 1. This is your T1. If I put n as 2, that T2 will become n into, this is 2 into 3 into 5 by 6. So this is your 5, you can see 1 square plus 2 square and so on. This is just for verification purpose. You don't need to do it in the question, you can do it in Margin. Now Tn further after simplification becomes This is n into 2n square plus 2n plus 1, 3n plus 1 by 6. So this comes out to be 2n cube by 6 plus 3n square by 6 plus n by 6. We have got Tn simplified so that I can use Sn as sigma Tn and operate sigma over Tn. This is sigma 2n cube by 6 plus 3n square by 6 plus n by 6. Now this is after simplification. We are getting it as Sn as 2 by 6 sigma n cube plus 3 by 6 sigma n square plus 1 by 6 sigma n. Right? We have applied the distributive property on sigma. After that, this is 2 by 6 n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 by 6 n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. I have already okay. Then 1 by 6 n into n plus 1 by 2. This all we have used the formula. You can write on the side. Now, if anything common, I can see n into n plus 1 by 12 is common from all the terms. So, I will be this common. So, we are left with n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 plus 1. I think this is common. So n into n plus 1 into n square plus 3n plus 2 by 12. And further, if I simplify by splitting the middle term and getting it as n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 12, and this is your n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. Although we have got the sum till here, but we are simplifying it further so that the answer is very good looking, as well as we can always verify our answer by substituting n as 1, n as 2 or 3 etc. in your Sn, and the required answer is this one.